What's up, Eric? Let's work on one of the Stevie Wonder songs, Overjoyed or Ribbon in the Sky.
The ribbon in the sky.
Oh, so long for this night I pray that a star would guide you my way to share with me this special day where a ribbon's in the sky for our love. If allowed, may I touch your hand, and if please, may I once again, so that you too would understand. There's a ribbon in the sky for our love. Do-do-do. Ribbon in the sky for our love.
Son, how you doing?
Hello. Pinch me. Pinch me.
Pinched you.
Can I have a hug?
What's up, man?
Oh! Hold up. This is Stevie Wonder.
Sometimes. How you feel? You sound good. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good. And the piano player, what's his name?
Eric.
Eric, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good. So I was thinking, can I play the song with you?
Yes. Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You walk up to the piano? Is that cool, Eric?
See right here. Oh, man.
So you doing it in C? In C?
Oh, so long for this night I pray that a star would guide you my way to share with me this special day where a ribbon in the sky for our love. If allowed,
This is not a coincidence, and far more than a lucky chance. But what it is, there was always meant. There's a ribbon in the sky for our love, love we can lose it. With God on our side, we'll have
We'll have strength,
strength.
right?
In each tear we cry, there's a ribbon in the sky, ribbon in the sky, ribbon in the sky for our love.
That was awesome.
Ah, I love you.